Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making taco ramen. I know, you're probably thinking, oh no, not ramen. Yep, gonna be making taco ramen. I think this might be a good dish and it's gonna be really simple to make. Let's get started. The first thing that I'm gonna do is start browning some some ground beef. You can use as lean or as little lean as you would like. This is just a cheapo roll of ground beef. I think this might have been a Boston one, so it's mixed with pork. And I'm gonna get some water boiling here for my ramen noodles. While we're waiting on the water to boil, go ahead and open these ramen up and take out the flavor packet, toss that away. Or if you're one of those people that has a junk condiment drawer, you could toss it in there and throw it away in 3 to 5 years. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it away today because I know I won't use it. I've been the person that saves them and I never use them. They end up getting tossed out later anyway. All we want today are the noodles. Water is boiling. I am just going to add the noodles to the water and cook as normal, minus that seasoning packet. I'm not adding that at all. I am going to go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of taco seasoning, or so. Mix that all up. The ramen should just about be done boiling. I'm going to drain the water off of it. I'm not going to put that into the casserole dish. I went ahead and greased my casserole dish. I'm dumping in my ramen. Dump in my burger mixture. Going to add in about 1/4 cup of taco sauce. And then I'm going to mix that all up as best I can. I think that looks pretty well mixed. Kind of even that out a little bit. And I am going to use this entire thing of cheese, the whole bag, brand new bag. I did do the Fiesta blend. Use whatever cheese you want. Spread that around. I'm going to put this in my oven, preheated at 375 for probably at least 20 minutes or until the cheese is really well melted and hopefully has a little bit of browning. Once it's done, I'll pull it out and I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Happy eating.